Okay, so let's talk about how to actually use the content map that I made. So when you're reviewing your sample test or your full lengths and you hit the content and skills section, it'll give you exactly what the foundational concept is and the subcategories. So for instance, here, let's say, okay, I got 3 out of 5. I got two questions wrong for this CP section, and the category is how light and sound interact with matter. So now you can move over to the content map, select CP, and then go directly to foundational concept 4D. Overview tells you how this works, and then you can learn from the leaflets of the branches.